There's almost nothing more important for your website than SEO because it determines whether or not you get a customer into your online store when your product or services are searched. We see tons of websites that aren't optimized with basic SEO standards, and it keeps you from ever being found for your highest value keywords. If you're a marketing specialist doing DIY SEO, here's the low-hanging fruit. First is the H1 tag. It's in a website code and it's the first place Google looks to determine what your web page is about. Plan your keywords for each page and make sure that they show up in the H1 tag. Next, surprise, surprise, is the H2 tag. These are the supporting titles that reinforce what your page is about and strengthen your page's SEO. Use variations of the keywords you're targeting in the H2 tag. Third is the meta title. This is the title that Google displays in a search result. Again, make absolutely sure that your keywords are in your meta title and that your meta title is the correct length. Use a preview tool to make sure it's the right length. And lastly, the image alt text. This tells Google what your images are about. Google reads the image alt text to understand your images and decide how to rank you and what to rank you for. Give your images an alt text and make sure your keywords are there. You should be able to make all of these changes yourself if you're on an open source platform such as WordPress. But if you have any questions, shoot me a message or check out the tons of articles we have on SEO